Many are engineers, doctors, or with many such professional backgrounds. Came out of very good college institutes, have done well in their life, but there are also different roles as. If you look today, even most of you at this stage also doesn't know what you want to do in life. वो time के साथ साथ बहुत बदलता जाता है. आपका interest भी. The more you learn, the more you interact with others, the more you explore, you get more educated. When I joined politics, before that I played cricket or I ran a business before. But when I became a member of parliament, I tried to attend a lot of seminars, meetings, get associated with a lot of other organizations to know about various programs, policies, and how the policy making is done. I think it depends on individual how keen learner he is and adaptation कितना strong. तो जितने भी उस लेवल पे क्रैक करके आएंगे उनका फंडामेंटल्स भी स्ट्रॉन्ग, एजुकेशन भी स्ट्रॉन्ग, लर्निंग भी बहुत जल्दी बाकियों के मुकाबले होती ही हो. कुछ में बहुत अच्छा करते हो, कुछ में एवरेज करते हो. बाय द एंड ऑफ द डे मुझे लगता है आपकी कमिटमेंट कितनी वो बहुत मैटर करता है. स्पोर्ट्स में भी ऐसा है. मान लीजिए तेंदुलकर, विराट कोहली का जो स्किल लेवल वो बाकियों का उतना नहीं हो सकता, लेकिन उनका कमिटमेंट लेवल बहुत अच्छा होगा तो उनका परफॉर्मेंस भी कई बहुत अच्छे स्किल्स में थे लेकिन कमिटमेंट और डिसिप्लिन नहीं था तो दे लैक्ड. So it is not only about your education, it is not only about your expertise. In life also, if you look globally and locally also, it is not who has got great degrees, they are very successful in life. But execution किसका कितना अच्छा है, उस पर बहुत कुछ डिपेंड करता. For example, you take any current issue, maybe pollution you take. किसी का होगा कि कुछ अच्छे इनिशिएटिव लिए तो उसका उल्लेख करके वो आलोचना करे. कुछ केवल आलोचना करेंगे, कुछ त्याग के रूप में आएंगे कि these could be the few area steps which you can take which can create the right environment, can cut down the environment. तो लिखने वाले पे बहुत निर्भर करता है वो क्या लिखता है. कुछ केवल आलोचना के लिए, कुछ सुझाव के रूप में और कुछ दोनों को फ्लेक्स कर. डिपेंड करता है आप उसको किस. अगर मैं मंत्री हूँ, कई बार मंत्री सोचता है अच्छा मेरी तो आलोचना कर, और मुझे दूसरा लगता है कि वो जगा रहा है कि आप सिस्टम को सुधार. देखने वाले के नजरिए पे कई बार बहुत निर्भर करता है वो कैसे देखता. वी हैव रिपीट thousands of old laws. That is for the benefit of people. For the ease of doing business, we first compiled that how many permissions or compliances are required across the country from a different level. It was about 63,000, which is brought down to 23,000 now. 40,000 has been taken out by that. But still, a lot need to be done. प्राइम मिनिस्टर की फोकसिंग ऑन दैट कि आप इसको कैसे और कम करो. ईज ऑफ लिविंग एंड ईज ऑफ डूइंग बिजनेस में आप क्या और कर सकते.
What excites you more? Being there, doing stuff for the cricket, or being in your constituency, working for the people there? What excites you more?
You can do both simultaneously. Being a MP doesn't restrict you to promote sports. And I was doing whatever for to do for crickets much before I joined politics. So I built Dharamshala Cricket Stadium in 2005 when I was not even member of parliament. We started that in year 2002. Hosted first match in 2005. I was just 26, 27 years old at that. And without even taking a single penny from the government. So I think that's all about your passion, what you like, what you don't like.
But if life gives you one to take one option, whether it's cricket or politics?
I think politics is much bigger platform to do something for your country. In politics, you can do for sports also, for education, healthcare, or any sector, from policy making to implementation to execution. But that's because in cricket you're restricted only to the cricket administration. Here in politics, it's too vast. I mean, the platform is such a big platform that you can do as much as possible. हिमाचल की अगर 70 लाख की बात ही तो हमारे 3 करोड़ टूरिस्ट अगर आते हैं तो इनके 4 गुना टूरिस्ट तब आते हैं अगर खूबसूरती है. अगर हर जगह बिजली की तारे जाएंगी, हर जगह घर दिखेंगे और हर जगह हरियाली कटती चली जाएगी तो लोग क्या देखने आए. एंड सेकंड इज हिमाचल शुड हैव more towards adventure sports. They should identify various areas. One is religious tourists, one is for the natural beauty, second could be the adventure tourism. Identify more areas. Fourth could be education, fifth could be IT. You create such industry where people would love to come and work in Himachal Pradesh and try and make their second home. Housing एक और हो सकता है second home की availability. But rather creating small hubs Make a organized society where people can come and buy. आज आप सबको लगता होगा कि विकसित भारत 2047 एक नारा है। सबको नहीं, कुछ को लगता है, कुछ लोग टिप्पणी भी करते हैं। लगता है कैसे विकसित भारत होता है, लोग प्रश्न चिन्ह खड़ा करते हैं। ऐसे कुछ लोग होंगे जो आजादी से पहले प्रश्न चिन्ह खड़ा करते होंगे, कहाँ आजादी मिल पाए। ऐसे बहुत सारे लोग 2014 में कहते होंगे मोदी मेक इन इंडिया की बात करते हैं, स्टार्टअप इंडिया की बात करते हैं, स्टैंड अप इंडिया की बात करते हैं। क्या है? But if you look today, after 11 years on, what we have achieved, our economy has gone up from 11 to 4th largest economy. In the Make in India, for example, mobile phone, which is recording this, we were 99% importing mobile phones from across the world. Today, 99.3% mobile phones are manufactured in India, and we are exporting it to the world.